Growing eggplants in your garden can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some tips on how to do it properly. Firstly, the right time to plant eggplants is during the warm months of the year. Typically, the best time to begin planting them is in late spring or early summer when the temperature is consistent around 25 degrees Celsius. Eggplants need to be watered frequently, particularly during the hot seasons. You should aim to water your eggplants at least once a week, with each plant receiving around 2 liters of water. In terms of land requirements, eggplant plants tend to thrive in spaces where there is adequate sunlight, good soil drainage, and abundant organic matter. Each plant requires enough space to grow, with the ideal spacing being around 60 centimeters apart. Once you've planted your eggplant, you can expect to harvest it around 70 to 80 days after planting. The fruit should be picked when ripe, meaning that it should have a firm, glossy skin. Overripe eggplants tend to become soft and bitter in taste. The most common challenges when growing eggplant are pests such as aphids, flea beetles, and spider mites. Therefore, it is important to check your plants regularly and take steps to prevent these issues from occurring. Eggplants grow in tropical and subtropical climate regions. These plants require heat and humidity to thrive, so if you live in an area where it is cold or there's little rainfall, it would be best to plant them in a greenhouse or indoors. Eggplants are known for their versatility, as they can be baked, fried, grilled, and even utilized in stews and sauces. They have a mildly sweet flavor that makes them a popular ingredient in many dishes around the world. They are also known for their nutritional value as they contain vitamins, fiber, and minerals. In summary, to grow eggplants in your garden, begin by planting them during the warm months of the year, watering them frequently, allotting enough space for them to grow, and ensuring adequate sunlight, drainage, and organic matter. Be vigilant against pests, and pick the fruit when it is ripe. You can enjoy eggplants in a wide variety of dishes, as they are versatile and nutritious.